Today, we're going plane spotting at Denver International Airport. Here we are, almost arrived at the airport. Okay guys, we just got to the spot. And we are setting up and ready to plane spot.
One runway. There's a tower, there's the other runway. And here we've got two planes. A Southwest 737 from an airport. Focus. Absolutely tough. I think this is an A320. From what I see, it's an A320. Ay. Sorry for the bad filming. Oh yeah, this is a Frontier. This guy's big. A321 Neo. Think. Maybe it's not a 757. Wait, no, I did it wrong. The Desert Gold livery. No!
I want to see one with a cool livery today.
Yeah, like the Alaska one we saw.
Or that one that had like the Maryland flag or something on it.
Yeah, we saw Maryland, Illinois, California. I want to see the Amua one. It's Hawaii. It's like...
The Southwest plane over there too?
Uh-huh.
The other ones look like they're going slow.
Yeah. Take me back home if I do get much young.
Oh, here comes the security truck.
Are you serious?
I think inside. I don't know. Turn this way. We're not doing nothing wrong.
Yeah, that's an A320 for sure. Oh, it's American too. Ooh, it's a SkyWest livery. That's a cool-ish livery. Training is the best option. When I get older, out of high school, and I get money, that's a decently rare-ish plane. Yeah.
You and Leah can share a room.
And Auntie Julian.
And Auntie Julie.
And Auntie Jenner, whoever else. She came with us last time.
Yeah, that's because we were doing like a big family thing.
It's where the wind is crossing the plane. Holy, dude. You're supposed to keep your wings level, bud. Idiots.
He's gonna be like the States Air Force Academy are ultimately rejected. High school students seeking admittance into the U.S. Air Force Academy also need to understand that they face a different type of admissions maze than is proposed by applicants to other uber selective universities.
I could go to is Denver an Ivy? Denver's not an Ivy, is it? DU.
Yale, Harvard.
Yale,
Princeton.
Harvard, Princeton.
The Air Force Academy's most recent acceptance rate.
UConn.
That's how to predict your chances.
And I don't need to go there. If I don't get accepted, I could apply for. Gosh, I don't know.
You can learn a bunch of aviation stuff at MSU, babe.
Yeah, I know. Because if I don't go to Air Force, then I don't need to be an Air Force pilot. I could just jump right into being a civilian pilot. It's not.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice because the Air Force will pay for all that training.
That's true, but I mean, if I can get a good job now. I think I have tetanus. My hand has a heartbeat.
Where do they put their, how far out do they put their landing gears down?
Depends what I'm pretty sure it is. Or, I mean, like, but usually depending on, like, long taxi time, it heats up the wheels and brakes and stuff. This is a
3 hours you're flying. Wow.
That's the one from Guadalajara in New York.
What plane is that?
A320. Alright, we've got a rare retro American, I believe. Yeah, it's definitely American.
What is that?
Or Retro United, sorry. That's really cool there. And now here we have regular United. Quite a bumpy ride today. Mom. Continue. All right, go ahead.
You know, and that might be something that a travel agent could plan for us, because
Yeah.
what do we know about traveling abroad? Like, who was it? I think Shannon Detmer went to France a couple of years, like 2 or 3 years ago, and I mean they. You're like, bro, I'm a freshman.
And then
You're taller than me, but I'm a freshie. What is that? Why does it look saggy on the bottom? Back end looks saggy.
because they flare. This is a plane. Oh, hi.
Got a twofer right there. for that other.
We're plane spotting, and there's 3 C5 planes flying over us in formation.
Flying over all the other big planes.
Yeah, there's one. Yeah, it's hard to see them, but there's 3 of them.
Oh, that was weird. They just snuck up on.
Okay, here we have the Air Canada Trans Retro livery from Vancouver. A220 coming into Denver International Airport. TS is awesome, guys. That's a pretty cool livery. Nice little rare guy. Alright, see you in the next video. Subscribe.
Today we're going plane spotting, and stay tuned because there is a really rare plane at the end.